Yabona ukuba ne-competition within a-team, it makes everyone wants to play. Competition ukuthi i-striker unoMakgopa, unoMbuthuma, unoMabasa. Obviously ongenayo uzofuna ukuprove or ongenayo uzofuna ukwenza sure ukuthi they play very well. Ngako left, there's so many left wingers. Ngako right, there's so many right wingers. Number 10, number 10 abayingaki? 4, if I'm not mistaken. So each and everyone who's ongena kuleyo position will want to play and show what they want to play. Everyone. That's why you see so much competition going on the Pirates. Not just competition, but you see so much performance. How much they are, because they understand what they are replaceable. And they understand what they have a very, very strict coach. A very, very strict coach. Coach now. There are so many other players who want to play Lapaya. Then to tita me pes ball ati is because of my confidence. When I'm confident I play. They don't titu jala kamnandi kanjani. Ayikindo bekuma pes ball is because they understand ukuthi ucoach angamkhipha athi phuma Tito. Ngena Mbule. Ophuma Mbule. Ngena Shengo. Phuma Shengo. Ngena Mfukeng. He understands very well that Phuma Mfukeng. Ngena Dancing. There's so many people who can play on number 10 Lapaya na Orlando Pirates. So much competition, so they know very well. Ukuthi I need to step up. I need to make sure what I play very well, or else I'm replaceable. They understand.